Austin-based Bumble is creating a relief fund for people seeking abortions in Texas. It is the dating app's response to the new state law that empowers citizens to sue anyone who aids and abates most abortions. Bumble declined to make anyone available for an interview for us, and it's not clear where the money in this fund would specifically go. But one attorney told KXAN's Kevin Clark larger entities have the advantage over small providers in court should they be sued under the law.
Social worker Monica Faulkner is concerned about the state's new abortion law. She wonders if simply referring someone to a clinic could get her sued.
We're talking about advocates who don't make a lot of money. They can't afford $10,000 plus attorney's fees.
The law empowers citizens to sue anyone who aids and abets abortion.
Millions of people can potentially sue without any personal connection to an abortion.
But appellate attorney David Cole says larger entities can absorb the cost of a suit easier than a small clinic or individual like Monica. Take the city of Austin, which pays for services like transportation, childcare, and counseling for women seeking an abortion.
They are attractive targets in that sense if you're a strategic filer of these lawsuits. On the other hand, the larger the entity, the more used they are to litigation.
Cole tells me suing under this law is low risk for a plaintiff, a few $100s in attorney and processing fees. But even so, he doesn't expect a litigation free-for-all right off the bat.
At least in the beginning, these are going to be very high profile. They're going to get a lot of attention. So if you stand up and file one of these, you're sort of inviting media scrutiny of you.
Cole says the first few lawsuits will tell a lot. If judges start ruling the challenges unconstitutional because of Roe v. Wade, he says there will be fewer to follow. But Texas Right to Life is banking on even the threat of litigation deterring abortion.
That's the ultimate for us, is protecting and defending that right to life for every single person.
The CEO of Dallas-based Match has created a similar fund, and Lyft now says that it covers the legal fees for drivers sued under the new Texas law. A bill that will limit access to abortion-inducing pills is headed to the governor's desk. Senate Bill 4 prevents physicians from giving the medication to patients who are more than 7 weeks pregnant. Now, currently, they are only allowed up to 10 weeks. It also bans abortion-inducing medications from being mailed here in Texas. The Texas Medical Association says it opposes both that bill and the Heartbeat Act. It says both interfere with the patient-physician relationship. The TMA goes on to say if permitted to proceed, this law will be precedent-setting and could normalize vigilante interference in the patient-physician relationship in other complex, controversial medical or ethical situations.